Okay, good day. When you got the car camera, this is the 3M holder, okay? So you want to fix on your windscreen, right? Okay, but you got this. We got provide this. This is the for you to stick on your windscreen. So you have to peel the sticker. Okay, it's a very tiny. Okay, you have to peel it out. Okay, like this. Okay, this one. This is not a very sticky because this one is for your windscreen and you won't damage your tinted if you have a tinted inside. Okay, this is how we install it. Okay, this is how we install it. Okay, you can see, right? Okay, no worry about the bubble will go off after a few days. And then this is the 3M suction holder, so you have to place this on this area. Okay, so next time if you want to change the position or whatever, you just take it off. But this one you have to plan properly where you want to install it. Okay, so the 3M suction holder is very sticky and it won't damage your tinted. Okay, thank you.